This is Kankakee County Treasurer Nick Allen, and this video demonstrates how to look up information on our new website. Visit KankakeeCountyTreasurer.com, and towards the middle of the page you'll see a button that says Pay or Look Up Taxes Online. Click on that, and that brings you to the page where you look everything up. If you have the PIN or parcel number, that's always the easiest way to find a property, and that 12-digit code would just be entered here, and you click Search. Otherwise, you can search by name, site address, or a number of different criteria. If you are searching by site address, just note that the less information you put in, the more results will come up. So if you're having trouble finding something, try reducing the amount of information you're putting in there. And you can search by range. So if you're looking, for instance, on your block and you want to see other property tax information on your block, you can put a range in. Now, though, let's just search by last name. Press enter or click search, either way. And say you're looking for James Smith in Grant Park. You just click on that. And the first information screen that comes up is the billing and collection screen. So you see how much is due on each property tax installment, some basic information. And under view is where you're going to search for the information you're looking for on different properties, whether it's the assessment information from the assessor's office. You see that there. You can look for exemptions. This property doesn't have any exemptions on it. And if you're interested, you can click on taxing bodies, which is going to bring up a breakdown of where your tax dollars go. You see that there by dollar and by percentage. Also at the top right here under I Want To, you can go back to our website, the assessor, GIS, or county website. And if you needed to print information, you can print either the full report on the property or the current page, for instance. And this will bring up the current page, which is that billing and collection, which has the amount of property taxes due, and whatever your browser does here, it will do for the print portion. And if you want to see the property that's next, for instance, if you search by block, as I referenced earlier, a range of properties, and you're looking through all of them and want to see the amounts, you click on next there. And for this one, it brings up Edna Smith. But if you were searching by block, it would bring up that next address there. So say you're done there, you want to start a new search, you just click that under the I Want To section. And if you wanted to look by address, like I referenced earlier, say you were looking for the treasurer's office building here, you can put just an address, or you can put a range. And like I said, the less information you put, the more is going to come up. And you only put the street name in here. You don't put northeast or southeast or east northwest or whatever the full property is. That's where you would put the directional if you wanted to put east or west or north. And then you just click search, and our building comes up there. You click on it. And again, this property is exempt, so you don't see any taxes on it. But if you look under exemptions, that's where you would see it is an exempt property because the county owns it. And if you have a homestead exemption or a exemption for a person with disabilities, that's where that would show up under this exemption screen. So that is an overview of how to search for different information on our website. Be sure to check the main video on our page, which is how to pay taxes on the website. And hope you found this to be informative.